It's like here. Okay, everyone understand this is motivate, right? Movement, phóng đầu chi hả? Phóng. When your energy are routed properly, the positive ion will reach the ground and displace negative energy from underground. The ground is negative ions. This is positive ion. Just like air have ion, right? Everything have ions. Positive ion, negative ion, human blending of the fusion of the two. When your energy from lower dantian, everything connect down at the root of the ground, just like you do the same posture, it will reach the ground to the point that it will displace energy outside and coming up to you like a bubble. And then there are ways to create that electromagnetic energy around it. Whereby whole thing becomes like the watch. You know electromagnetic, it's like a magnetic corrugated chain thing. It's blood that large chi. It's chi that moves blood. So by you start working on the muscle, which is very tangible, it will cause the blood to what? To move with the coiling and coiling, right? In a way, it also moving the chi. And later on, it's a mind that guides the whole things. So at the beginning, it's outside. Later, more and more inside. Right? So first of all, to do that, you need to have a proper body, a proper vessel. The proper vessel must be in harmony with heaven and earth, whereby each bone connects to each bone in a proper way. Alright? And then each organ in the place also with proper dynamic, whereby the emotion also needs to be stable, your mind needs to be stable, your body mechanic needs to be stable, and the mechanic in relation all things need to be harmony. So that's him a lot, right? That's why all my students, even though they first came, they might be of not Buddhists. After a while, they all become more like Buddhists. And they start doing prayer practice to stabilize the mind. They start doing meditation to stabilize the mind. They start doing different things because all that make difference. And then they practice even the ritual running in a bijung, which we practice. It's not about appearance. It's about what? As a means to develop your mindfulness on how to be respectful. In a way, it's through the outer method you understand the inner structure. For the outer guru, you get to know the inner guru. And for the inner guru, you get to connect with what we refer as the silver guru, which is your, the Buddha nature, your original nature. We call it Buddha nature because the nature is the same for everyone, whether you're a Christian or Buddhist. Just like if you die, you go through the same state of battle, whether you're a religious person or not. The difference is, if you have been trained for it, then it might be very stable. And you can really direct your conscience in any way you wish to go. One take refuge in Buddha Dhamma Sangha because it's clean. It's a clean energy. Buddha wished nothing but the best for everyone. Did not want you to worship him. Did not want you to do anything else except to bring benefit to yourself. Did not promise you heaven. Did not promise you nothing. Just say, if you do this, it will happen. If you do this, it will happen. Okay? Whichever you are, I love you the same. If you have the belief system, better have something that will encourage you to do better all the time. Not become clear up, become divisional, so on and so forth. Yeah. Just like my teacher, he encouraged us not to involve in politics or involve in anything, but just be compassionate for benefit all humanity. So that's why many students of mine, even they start doing Tai Chi, they all become Buddhists. So you don't have to put up like I'm a Christian, I'm a Buddhist, I'm a Muslim. Just be a good person. But how to be a good person? You need a way, a structure to help you understand. So for me, the best way is through the Buddhist Dhamma. In martial art, I know many people who are very good martial art. Not one has been my role model for humility. Not one. Bruce Lee, not for humility. No one. No bouncer people I know said, oh, I'm only second to so. No, they all think they're the best. And create a lot of unnecessary conflict. When they're good in what they do, a lot unnecessary conflict. And the one that my role model is my own weak guru, Hannah Religion. True compassion. So we need a good role model. You hang out with the wrong kind of role model, you're really going to drag you down that direction. You know what I mean? So the benefit of that is we're having a belief system that can help you to improve yourself. Because the belief system is what? A means to help you understanding how things work. Then the best to find a way that's helpful to you, not one that helps. That's it. That's disadvantageous.